Welcome to Cityview. This is elevated living just one block from the Ithaca Commons. We're here today to see apartment PHW, a studio on the top floor. Let's head on in. As you enter, the kitchen is on your left with a microwave, a dishwasher, an electric oven and range, and a refrigerator. On into the living area, you'll see 5 pieces of furniture, a bookcase, a desk and desk chair, a full-size bed, and a dresser, as well as plenty of closet space. One great feature of Cityview is the high ceilings and the large windows that let lots of natural light into this south-facing apartment. Every apartment is air-conditioned and has a heating element. Another great feature of Cityview is the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends up. We'll finish in the bathroom. Each Cityview bathroom is large and spacious, with a shower tub combo and a vanity with medicine cabinet. Rent for Cityview apartments includes heat, water, and trash and recycling fees. Electricity is the tenant's responsibility, and high-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour of Cityview PHW. Call us today for availability.